Hello, you guys. I am Courtney, and this is Court's Corner. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode on my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I make videos about DIYs, home decor, styling tips, all those things you can find here on this platform. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Courts_Corner1 if you are interested in connecting with me or seeing some of my DIYs firsthand and get that first person point of view kind of thing. But again, I'm sorry. Again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today, I'm just going to show you guys how I finished my DIY mudroom. If you have not already seen the previous video where I showed the beginning steps of how I created this mudroom, please check that video out. I will leave it in the description box below. But if you have already seen that, what I want you to do is just check out this video, let it ride on through, stick around to the end. I have another DIY for you guys. It's the Ikea Hovet mirror. I have seen so many different DIYs on this mirror. It's a beautiful mirror, very tall, over 6'5", 30 inches wide. Very nice, very nice. If you don't have it, get it. I waited a long time for it to come back in stock. So check that mirror out if you want a real nice, good quality mirror for a decent price. So definitely check that out. So stick around and see how I did my Ikea Hovet mirror, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let me know what you think about the mudroom. I am appreciative of all the feedback that I have received so far, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel and tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye. This portion of the video, you see me cutting the shelf that I got from Home Depot. It was already together. I just cut it down and painted it. I put about 2 coats of paint on it, let it dry for a bit before placing it on the actual mudroom bench. So here you just see me moving things from when I previously took pictures because I wanted a clear canvas as I put up the new hooks. Now I did have a hard time deciding on what color hooks I wanted to use. So I let my Instagram followers decide it, and they chose between gold and black. They chose black, so black is the hardware that I chose. I did get the hardware from Amazon, so you will see me place that up here. But yes, the rest of this will be just me styling this and then showing you the finished results. Right now, I am just using trash bags to protect the mirror from the spray paint, and I am just going to spray the sides of it. So when you are taping this down, you want to make sure that the actual tape touches the mirror. So leave a little space from the sides of the bag so that the mirror can actually be attached to the tape. That is what's going to make it stick. So definitely do that before you spray it. All right, so now you just want to take the decorative piece and see where it hits the base of the mirror. So that way you'll know where to put the glue. You don't want to put the glue in a place if it doesn't actually touch the mirror. Sometimes the floor is uneven or the wall could be uneven, who knows. But you do want to make sure you get glue where you can adhere it to. And then you also want to measure it out to make sure you're centering the decorative piece. This combination dries really fast, so you want to work quickly. You want to get it adhere. You want to make sure you put it in the right place originally, because typically when you put this down, E6000 is really strong, but the hot glue is what's going to make it hold.